SlopeRules is a system built into slope charts that allows you to define technical-based rules to find buying and selling opportunities. And the access to it is simply right here under the Rules menu. And you go to slope charts, say Create Slope Rules, and it provides to you a dialog box where you can establish with simple expressions the parameters that you require in order to yield a sell short, go long, or close type trade action. But instead of going through it all here, I want to mention that on the website you just go to Rules Guide, and this is a very thorough step-by-step instruction illustrating the how to define opening a trade, how to define values, how to define closing a trade, on and on through every aspect and every element of using SlopeRules. So the documentation is already quite thorough. Again, it's right inside this this rules menu. I would also mention it's not just your own rules that you can work with. You can make use of rules sets that others have shared. And you can go to Search SlopeRules to explore that. And what this does is it loads in everyone's, including your own, rule sets and calculates in advance the results of those so that you can see at a glance the percentage of winners, the overall yield from the rule set, average win, average loss, and how many trades were executed. So there's a wealth of information here, both bullish and bearish trades. You can choose either style to look at. As you can see here, they're clearly denoted, and you can either publish your own for the group, as I've done here. So I've published them, so the choice is unpublished. Or here are some from others where I can make use of them. I can copy them over to my own slope charts to make use of. So the SlopeRules library search is a wonderful way to explore the hard work others have done, so you can find other systems that people have created. On top of that, you don't have to actively be looking at this. You can set up alerts under the rules menu as well. And what this allows you to do, actually I'll go to Manage Alerts. The Alerts menu just shows you how it works, but the Manage Alerts shows what rule sets you have access to and also your own watch lists, and you blend them. So down here you would basically say take X given rule set and Y given watch list and add that to the alert. So you can see up here that I have SlopeRules alerts for this particular rule set on my ETF list and this particular rule set on my TK short list and so forth. And with all those, what happens is at the end of the trading day, our system calculates what triggers took place with a given rule set against a given watch list and emails you. And so you get a consolidated alert list in an email about what took place, what triggers took place, so you can explore them more deeply. So SlopeRules is quite simple to use considering the complexity behind it. And as I said earlier, the best way to understand it deeply is just to go to the guide and read the documentation there step by step about how you make use of this cool and helpful trading system.